Hi everyone. Let's see how you can easily and very quickly enable PDF generation on your forms. So I have the send a request form in my org that I already created, and there are many different fields here. I have a group element. Within that there are multiple fields, and I have also the signature elements here on this form too. I'm collecting signature from my customers. So if I open this form here, you will see it looks like that. It's a really nice, really clean form with a nice logo. And I have file upload. I have again that group element here as a UI element, and I have the signature here too. So what I want to do here is I want to enable PDF generation. For that, I just need to go to the action properties on the right side. There are two ways. You can either go to the action properties right away, or you can go to the button on the form itself on the canvas and just click on the button. It will open up the action properties section here for you. And here I have the enable PDF generation setting. I just need to actually check this if I want to. What I want to do is there is going to be a submission, and specifically for this form there is a signature. When there is a new submission coming from my clients, I want to capture the signature. I want to capture all the information as a nice clean PDF document and save it in my org. That is what I want to do. So in that case, I can just enable PDF generation and save this form. And if I go to the form itself, just refresh the form right now, let's do a submission. Case origin is this, code is, something, just making it up. And then email address is this, last name, first name, my request relates to this, that relates to this. File upload, let me upload a file here too. For example, let me just choose this. And here, order number, again, just a number I'm entering here. Invoice information, there is the invoice number, and there are validation rules. As you see, I cannot enter more than this or this. I can control those things. An article reference, just say reference here, quantity concerned, let's say 2000. Subject is test form, and description, let's say testing PDF generation, and then type your name here. For the signature, I can either type my name or I can sign it directly here on the page too. Let me sign it. And when I submit this, what's going to happen is it will create, this form is related to, we use the case object for this form. So when I do the submission, it will create a new case record in my org. It will also at the same time create a PDF file in a nice clean format, and it will attach it to that related case record. So let's do it. I click on send request here. Oh, number outside valid range. So what did I do? Quantity concerned. I entered actually a big number, so I think there is a validation rule here too. When I say send request, then this time it's submitted, completed, and as you see, you have successfully submitted your form. If I go to my org, I need to go to cases. And so today is July 3rd. As you see, this is the last one. The case number is right here. If I go to the case record, case is created, with all the information that I entered here. And also, if I go to the related documents here in the attachments specifically, as you see, there are two things. Uh, with the name of the form itself and with the keyword signature, I captured the signature itself actually as a separate file here. And I know, when when the signature was captured, when they submitted this form, when they signed this form specifically, I know those details. And also there was another PNG. This was the document I submitted actually or uploaded using the file upload element as well. and the PDF is not there yet. It takes up to a minute actually to create the PDF file. But yeah, it's right there. As you see, there are 3 files right now here, and my PDF is right here too. If I click on this, you will see it in a very nice format. Oh, there should be normally the title too. We are working, this is a test account too. They might be working on some things, but normally with the title of the form as well, with all the fields that I entered, all the information that I entered, with the signature, and also this is the file I uploaded. With all those information, it creates a really nice, clean PDF document for me as well, and attach it to this case record that was created when there is the submission. So, but this is how you can enable the PDF generation. It takes just about 2 seconds to do that. But after that, you can store your PDF files with the submissions in your Salesforce org. This is how it works. Thank you for listening. See you in the next video.